Welcome back, dear decorators. In this video, I want to talk about something that's not just a decoration, not just a tradition, but something that truly transforms our homes and hearts during the holiday season, the Christmas tree. Whether you go all out with a tall, lavishly decorated tree, or you keep it simple with a small one tucked into the corner of your living room, the presence of a Christmas tree adds warmth, magic, and meaning to the season in ways that are hard to describe until you actually experience it. Let's start with why the Christmas tree is so important. It's one of the most iconic symbols of the season. For many of us, the moment the tree goes up is when Christmas really begins to feel real. It's like flipping a switch that turns our home into a space full of joy, anticipation, and celebration. The act of setting up the tree, whether alone or with family, is already a special moment. It brings people together, creates memories, and starts off the season with a feeling of connection and tradition. For kids especially, decorating the tree becomes one of the most anticipated parts of the holiday. It's something they look forward to every year, and those memories often stick with them for life. There's something deeply comforting about the glow of lights on a Christmas tree in the evening. It creates a sense of peace and coziness, like a warm hug after a long day. The lights, the ornaments, the scent of pine, even if it's artificial, all come together to create an atmosphere that's different from anything else during the year. It's calming, magical, and uplifting all at once. It encourages us to slow down, take a breath, and really soak in the season. One of the big advantages of having a Christmas tree at home is that it instantly becomes the centerpiece of your holiday decor. You don't need to go over the top with decorating the entire house if you don't want to. A beautiful tree by itself can set the tone for your whole space. It can reflect your personality, your memories, your creativity. You can go traditional with reds and greens, go chic with gold and silver, go whimsical with bright, fun colors, or even create a themed tree based on movies, hobbies, or travel. There's no one right way to decorate a tree, and that's part of what makes it so special. It's all about expression, and it's one of the few times of the year when we give ourselves full permission to just enjoy beauty and nostalgia. Another benefit is the emotional and psychological impact it has. A well-decorated Christmas tree brings joy, reduces stress, and contributes to a general sense of happiness and optimism. There's even research that suggests people who put up their Christmas decorations early tend to be happier and more excited about the holidays. And that makes sense. Surrounding yourself with lights, ornaments, and a space filled with festive vibes really does boost your mood. Now let's talk tips for making your Christmas tree the best it can be. First, consider the space where you're going to place it. Make sure there's enough room not just for the tree itself, but for people to move around it comfortably. It should feel like part of your home, not an obstacle. If you're limited on space, a slim or pencil tree might be perfect. It gives you the festive feel without taking up too much floor space. Even wall-mounted or corner trees are great for small homes or apartments. When it comes to decorating, start with the lights. If you're using an artificial tree, many come pre-lit, which saves you time and effort. But if not, always put the lights on first, starting from the bottom and working your way up. Wrap the lights around the branches, not just on the surface, to give the tree a full glowing look. For a warm classic feel, go with soft white lights. For something playful and modern, multicolored lights can be super fun. Next, move on to garlands, ribbons, or mesh. These help add texture and depth to the tree and can tie together your color scheme. After that, place your ornaments, starting with your favorites or most meaningful ones. Spread them out evenly and use a mix of sizes to create balance. Try tucking some ornaments deeper into the branches to add dimension. Don't forget a tree topper that complements your theme. It's like the cherry on top of a sundae. Another suggestion is to personalize your tree. Add photo ornaments, souvenirs from family trips, handmade decorations from your kids, or ornaments that reflect your culture and traditions. This makes the tree not just a decoration but a visual story of your life and memories. Every time you look at it, it reminds you of special moments and loved ones, which is what Christmas is really about. You don't have to spend a fortune either. A lot of beautiful decorations can be made at home or found at budget-friendly stores. Pine cones, dried orange slices, cinnamon sticks tied with ribbon. These can all bring a natural and cozy feel to your tree. You can even switch up your tree style year to year by changing just a few key elements like ribbon color or tree topper. Let's not forget the base of the tree. Whether you're using a tree skirt, a woven basket, or a decorative box, covering the stand gives the whole setup a polished look. And of course, it's the perfect place for presents to gather. Seeing gifts accumulate under the tree just builds that sense of excitement leading up to Christmas morning. If you have pets or little kids, consider safety too. Shatterproof ornaments, secure tree stands, and lights that don't overheat can all help keep things safe and stress-free. You might even want to avoid placing delicate ornaments on the lower branches if your cat or toddler has a curious streak. And as the days go by, that tree becomes more than just something pretty to look at. It becomes the background for so many meaningful moments. Maybe it's where you sit with your morning coffee, just enjoying the quiet twinkle of the lights. Maybe it's where you gather around to exchange gifts, or where you take your family photos. Maybe it's simply a comforting sight when you come home after a long day. No matter what, it finds a way to become part of your daily rhythm during the season, bringing with it a feeling of calm and joy. Another beautiful thing about having a Christmas tree is how it connects us to our traditions, both old and new. Maybe you have ornaments passed down from your parents or grandparents. Maybe you buy a new ornament every year to represent something special that happened. Or maybe you've started your own tradition, like making handmade decorations with your kids, or picking a different tree theme each year. These little traditions, centered around the tree, can turn into some of the most cherished parts of the holidays. If you celebrate with friends or host gatherings, the Christmas tree becomes a wonderful conversation starter and a cozy focal point for entertaining. People naturally gravitate toward it. It creates a relaxed, welcoming vibe. Whether it's a small get-together or a big holiday dinner, the tree helps to set the tone, reminding everyone that this is a time for joy, for connection, and for taking a break from the hustle of everyday life. And don't underestimate the impact of a Christmas tree on those who visit your home. It can instantly lift someone's spirits. Even people who might not decorate themselves often feel a little spark of holiday cheer when they see a beautiful tree. So in a way, it's also a way of giving, sharing a piece of your joy with the people around you. For those who live alone, a Christmas tree can be especially meaningful. It fills the space with life and reminds you that you're part of something bigger. Just because you're not sharing it with a household full of people doesn't mean it's not worth doing. In fact, decorating for yourself can be one of the most loving things you do during the season. It's a gift to your spirit, a way to remind yourself that your space, your traditions, and your happiness matter. And hey, for those of you who are tight on time or energy, even the smallest tree can do the trick. A tabletop tree on a kitchen counter, a tiny one on your nightstand, or even a mini tree in the bathroom. Yes, seriously, can make your space feel festive. It's not about size, it's about spirit. The idea is to bring the warmth and magic of Christmas into your home in whatever way works best for you. The Christmas tree also gives us a reason to unplug, even if just for a little while. You might find yourself sitting in front of it without your phone, just enjoying the stillness. Or maybe you'll take time to reflect, to write cards, to sip hot cocoa, or to play holiday music. These quiet moments can be healing. In a world where we're always rushing and juggling responsibilities, the tree reminds us to pause and breathe. And that's a benefit we often overlook, how it gently encourages us to slow down and savor the season. For families, the tree can become a source of learning and storytelling. It's where parents share memories with their kids, pointing out ornaments that were handmade in kindergarten or explaining why a certain decoration means so much. These stories passed on through generations help keep family history alive. They show children the value of tradition, the beauty of remembering, and the importance of celebrating together. And when the season eventually comes to an end and it's time to take the tree down, it can be a bittersweet moment. But even then, it leaves behind something special. A room that felt different for a few weeks. A space that held laughter, love, and light. The tree might go back into the box or get recycled, but the memories stay. And just knowing that you'll do it all again next year brings a quiet kind of joy. And before we wrap things up, I want to leave you with a few extra thoughts that might help make your tree experience even more special. Sometimes the most magical trees aren't the ones that look like they came out of a magazine. They're the ones that tell a story, your story. So don't stress about making it perfect. Instead, make it personal. Add those quirky ornaments, those mismatched ones from different years, the little things your kids or grandkids made. These are the pieces that give your tree soul. Lighting plays such a big role too. If you can, take a moment to experiment with how you light your tree. Some people love warm white lights, others love the classic colorful ones. Some prefer twinkling lights or even soft glow fairy lights. There's no wrong choice here. What matters is how it makes you feel when you walk into the room. You want that little moment of awe, that quiet sigh of joy. If you're feeling creative, don't be afraid to make your own decorations. DIY ornaments are a great way to bond with your family, especially kids, and they can be as simple or elaborate as you like. You can use paper, felt, fabric scraps, pine cones, old jewelry, even recycled materials. These little projects become memories themselves, and each year when you hang them, you'll be reminded of the fun you had creating them. And if space is an issue or you live in a small apartment, don't worry. There are so many creative alternatives to traditional trees. Wall-mounted trees made of lights, flat wooden tree shapes you can decorate, even trees made from stacked books or hanging ornaments from branches. The idea is to bring the essence of a Christmas tree into your home in a way that works for your lifestyle and space. You can still enjoy all the benefits without needing a full-size tree. Something else worth mentioning is how setting up a Christmas tree can help your mental health. It gives you something to look forward to, something positive to focus your energy on. Especially if you've had a tough year, decorating a tree can feel like pressing a reset button. It's a way to say this season is going to be different. This moment is for peace and joy. And just seeing that tree each day can be a quiet, steady reminder of hope. Finally, remember that the Christmas tree doesn't have to come down the day after the holiday. Leave it up a little longer if it makes you happy. Let it brighten your space into the new year. Let it continue to bring warmth on cold days. There are no rules when it comes to joy. Keep the lights glowing for as long as your heart wants them to. So really, a Christmas tree is more than a decoration. It's a symbol, a tradition, a gathering place, a source of beauty and calm, a reminder of who we are, where we've been, and all the things we hope for. Whether you go big or small, real or artificial, elegant or playful, your Christmas tree is a reflection of you and the people you love. And that's what makes it so incredibly powerful. And as we move into the heart of the holiday season, don't forget that your Christmas tree can also evolve over the years. You don't have to do the same thing every time unless you want to, of course. But it's completely okay to let your tree reflect your current mood, your phase of life, or even the trends you're loving right now. One year you might want a rustic tree with natural tones and wooden accents. And the next year you might go bold with rich colors, metallic ornaments, or even a minimalist white tree. It's your space, your story, and your joy, so let your tree express that. Some people like to theme their trees, and that can be really fun. You can go with a color palette like red and gold, blue and silver, or even something unconventional like blush and champagne. Or maybe you want a candy-themed tree, a woodland animal vibe, or a nostalgic tree full of vintage ornaments from decades past. Whatever theme you choose, let it be something that makes you smile every time you pass by. Another little idea that adds warmth is wrapping your gifts in paper that matches or complements your tree decor. It might sound simple, but it ties the whole scene together and makes everything look more thoughtful and intentional. Even if you're not into elaborate wrapping, a bit of ribbon, twine, or even sprigs of greenery can make a big difference. And speaking of greenery, don't be afraid to extend your tree style to the rest of your home. Carry a few of the colors or decorative elements into your garlands, your wreath, your table centerpiece, even your mantle or staircase if you have one. This creates a cohesive, cozy atmosphere that makes your home feel like one magical holiday retreat. Now, if you're on a budget, I want to remind you that you don't need to spend a lot to have a beautiful tree. Dollar stores, thrift shops, and DIY crafts can give you everything you need to make something truly stunning. And remember, sometimes less is more. A simple tree with white lights, a few handmade ornaments, and a meaningful topper can be just as powerful as a tree dripping in designer decorations. And while we often think of Christmas trees as purely decorative, they can also be practical in creating moments of quality time. Make it a family night to put it up. Make hot chocolate, play holiday music, and take your time placing each ornament. It doesn't have to be rushed or perfect. Let it be real. Let it be yours. Because those moments of laughter, storytelling, and even a little chaos, that's the real heart of Christmas. Some people like to write little notes or wishes and place them inside special ornaments. Others hang up tiny photo frames as part of their decor. These small personal touches can become quiet traditions that grow in meaning year after year. and they're a beautiful reminder that the tree doesn't just hold decorations. It holds pieces of your life. As the weeks go by, don't forget to take photos, not just of the tree but of the moments around it. You'll be amazed how years from now, those little snapshots will bring back all the emotions of that particular holiday season. Your tree becomes a kind of living timeline, holding all the memories you made beneath its branches. And when the season eventually winds down, pack everything away with care and take a moment to reflect, not just on what your tree looked like but on how it made you feel. That's what matters most. Because long after the lights are unplugged and the decorations are stored away, that feeling will linger. The warmth, the joy, the love. It all started with a tree and the heart you poured into it. So go ahead. Create your little corner of Christmas magic. Let your tree shine. Let it speak for you. Let it welcome you home. Because in the end, it's not just about decorating your house. It's about creating an atmosphere that makes the season feel truly special. So if you're still thinking about whether or not to put up a Christmas tree this year, I hope this has helped you see just how much it can add to your home and your heart. It's not just about the lights or the ornaments or how it looks in photos. It's about what it brings to your life. Comfort, joy, beauty, tradition, and connection. That's a lot of magic from just one tree. So whether you're pulling your tree out of storage, picking up a fresh one from a nearby lot, or even crafting a DIY version from lights and string, remember this. It's more than just a holiday decoration. It's a symbol of togetherness, celebration, hope, and home. It brings out the joy in all of us and reminds us to appreciate the little things. And really, isn't that what Christmas is all about? Thanks for spending this time with me. If you're getting ready to put up your tree, I hope you do it with a full heart and a big smile. Let the magic begin right there, in the center of your home.